In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug in Jira. This process is fundamental for anyone involved in software development or project management, as it helps track and manage issues effectively. We'll go through each step methodically, ensuring you can follow along without any hassle. First, you need to navigate to your Jira workspace. Simply open your web browser and go to the Jira application. Once you've accessed Jira, you'll land on the homepage where you can see various areas and projects you're involved with. Next, you'll want to click on either Spaces or Project, depending on your specific setup. This step ensures that you're directing your actions towards the correct location where your team manages their tasks and issues. Once you've done that, proceed by selecting the specific space or project you're working on. If you have multiple projects, ensure you're choosing the one where the bug needs to be reported. This is crucial for keeping your tasks organized and tracking issues relevant to the specific project. Now, look for the backlog option within the project space. Clicking on backlog allows you to see a list of tasks that are pending or require attention. It's here that you'll create and handle your bug reports effectively. In the backlog section, there's an option to create sprint. This function allows you to plan a period of work on your tasks. Click on Create Sprint, as this will lead you to further options in organizing your task, including the bug you're reporting. Now that you're setting up the sprint, locate and click the Create button. This action initiates the process for defining the specifics of the task or bug you want to report. Ensure that you are clear on what constitutes the bug before moving on. As you input details, ensure the type is specifically set as a bug. This classification helps differentiate it from other types of issues like tasks or stories. By doing this, your team can easily identify and prioritize the fix. After setting the type, go ahead and click Create again to finalize this particular bug task. You'll then have an option to start the sprint that includes your bug. Once you decide to start the sprint, you'll need to name it appropriately. This helps in tracking progress later on. So choose a name that is descriptive of the tasks or fixes involved. Decide the duration for your sprint. The duration should suit the complexity and urgency of the bugs involved. Following this, select a start date that fits the schedule of your team and project timelines. Before you launch the sprint, make sure to define the sprint goal. This goal should clearly outline what you plan to achieve during the sprint, giving your team a focused objective. Finally, when everything is set and double-checked for accuracy, click the Start button. This action finalizes the process, initiating your sprint and formally adding your bug into the workflow for resolution. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to create a bug in Jira. Remember, keeping your issues organized and clearly communicated is key to effective project management. Thanks for watching and happy bug tracking.